Hey everyone! Welcome to App Melodies, your go-to channel for Android development tutorials. Today, we're building an awesome chess game in Android Studio using Kotlin and XML, from setting up the project to implementing game logic and designing a stunning UI. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, this step-by-step guide will help you create your very own fully functional chess game. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any exciting tutorials from App Melodies. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Setting up the project. First, open Android Studio and create a new project. Choose Empty Activity, name your project Chess Game, select Kotlin as the programming language, and click Finish. Your project is ready. Step 2. Designing the chessboard UI. The chessboard is the heart of our game. We'll use a grid layout to create an 8x8 board. Open your activity_main.xml file and add the following code to design the grid. This will generate a chessboard layout where we'll place all the pieces. Step 3. Adding chess piece images. Now, let's add images for our chess pieces. Download high-quality images of kings, queens, bishops, knights, rooks, and pawns for both black and white. Once downloaded, place them inside your drawable folder. You can find a download link to all chess pieces in the description below. Step 4. Implementing game logic. Here comes the fun part. We need to define movement rules for each chess piece. Pawns move forward but capture diagonally. Rooks move horizontally and vertically. Knights jump in an L shape. Kings move one square in any direction. We'll also handle turn switching, move validation, and checkmate detection in Kotlin. Step 5. Customizing UI and colors. Let's give our game a cool wooden chessboard theme. Open colors.xml and add these custom colors. Next, update styles.xml to refine the app's theme and button colors. Step 6. Testing the chess game. Now, it's time to test. Run your project in an emulator or on a real device. Make sure pieces move correctly, turns switch properly, the game logic runs smoothly. If everything works as expected, congratulations! You've successfully built a chess game in Android Studio. And that's a wrap. You just built an amazing chess game using Kotlin and XML. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to App Melodies, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Want more awesome Android projects? Visit appmelodies.com for free tutorials and source codes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy coding!